Okay, let's talk about sequences. So there are two types sequences: arithmetic sequences and geometric sequences. So what is the difference between them? Let's examine them in an example. In first example, 5, 10, 15, 20. So this is a sequence, arithmetic sequence, because every time we are adding 5 to find second term or third term. For finding each term, I am adding same amount of number. But in geometric sequence, I am multiplying with same amount of number. Let's say we are multiplying here with 3. Each time I am multiplying with 3. So we should know this is our first term. We say T1, first term. And here our first term is 1. And also there is one thing we should know. This 5, we says this is D, which means common difference. Common difference. But for geometric sequences, we don't have common difference. We have common ratio, which give the name is R equals 3 here. Common ratio. Okay. So these are the terms we should know for sequences. So let's talk about arithmetic sequences forms. There are two types of forms. One is explicit form, another is recursive form. For finding explicit form, we have a formula Tn equals T1, which is first term, plus n minus 1, n means index, and multiply by d. And recursive form, we have Tn equals Tn minus 1, which is Tn minus 1 means previous term, and plus d, we know common difference. I want to talk about one more term here, index. What does index means? Like in here, my index is n equals 1, n equals 2, n equals 3. So index means like which term I am talking about. First term, second term, or third term. Okay, so let's talk about how can I write explicit and recursive form in my example. So in this example, I know D is equals 5, and T1, which is first term, also equals 5. So explicit form is equal Tn 5, because we are in explicit form, we know here Tn equals T1, which is 5 in my example, plus n minus 1 multiplied by d, which is 5 in this example. And recursive form, Tn equals Tn minus 1 plus d, which is 5 in this example. Okay, so sometimes we are asked to find, like in this example, we asked find 10th term by using explicit form. So we said like 10th means n equals 10. So what is my n equals 10? In this example, we don't know. We know n equals 1 is 5, n equals 2 is 10. Third term is 15, fourth term is 20, but we don't know n equals 10. 10th term, we don't know. What is it? So it says by using explicit form. What was my explicit form? Tn equals 5 plus n minus 1 multiplied by 5. So it was asking 10th term, so I'm going to use 10 for n. T10 equals 5 plus, so I'm going to put 10 for when I see n. 10 minus 1 multiplied by 5. So when I calculate this, I will get 5, 9 multiplied by 5, which is equals 50. So my 10th term is 50. I can write it here. Okay. So I hope this helps.